Namaste. Today we are going to learn about making equivalent fractions. Making equivalent fractions. First of all, you should know about what is equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction, Nana? Fractions which represents the same or equal value is called as equivalent fractions. ఈక్వలెంట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అంటే సరి సమానమైన ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి ఏ రెండు భిన్నాలైతే సమానమైన విలువను చూపిస్తాయో దాన్ని మనం ఈక్వలెంట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ సరి సమానమైన భిన్నాలు అని అంటాము. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ విల్ రిపీట్ ఇట్ నానా. వాట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వలెంట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ మీన్స్ fractions which represents same or equal value. Same or equal value is called as equivalent fraction. So today we are learning about making equivalent fractions. How would you make? How can you make? See here, Nana. Same 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 is equal to, here I have written. Why I have written? These all fractions are equal or same in size. See here, observe here carefully, this much is there. So 1 by 2. So 2 whole parts is there, in that 1 is shaded. Here 4 equal parts is there. 4 equal parts is there, we have shaded 2. Here 6 equal parts is there, we have shaded 3. Here 8 equal parts is there, we have shaded 4. See here, Nana. How can you make equivalent fraction means the numerator and the denominator are multiplied with the same number. If you want to make equivalent fractions, you should multiply this numerator and denominator with the same number. Here you can observe here, Nana. 1 by 2 into 1 by 1. See here, numerator and denominator we have multiplied with only one number. So 1 by 1 means 1 by 2. Again, this. Again coming to second case, this 1 by 2. This first fraction only multiplied with the same number. Numerator and denominator multiplied by same number, 2 and 2. Numerator multiplied by 2 and denominator also multiplied by 2. So see here, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay na? Next 3 by 6. 3 by 6 also an equivalent fraction to 1 by 2. How can you say, teacher, this? See, I will prove it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again we are getting 1 by 2. In this case also 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Means again we are getting 1 by 2. This 1 by 2. Next 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here also we are getting 1 by 2. So these all fractions are equivalent fractions. How would you know these all are equivalent fractions? Because of this one fraction only multiplied with the same number. In first case we have multiplied with 1. Numerator and denominator are multiplied by 2 here. Here numerator and denominator multiplied with 3. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. So these all are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. So I hope you understand. See here, next let's go to make equivalent fractions. So 5 equivalent fractions you should make. How can you make, Nana? See here, 2 by 5 is there. So in first case we have multiplied with 1 by 1. Here 1 by 1. If you multiply with 1 by 1 means you can get the same number. 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5. So in second case 2 by 5 into, to make equivalent fraction, numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number. So here I am multiplying by 2. Next 2 by 5 into, I have multiplied with 2 na. Now I would like to multiply with 3. Next 2 by 5 into 4 by 4. Next 2 by 5 into 5 by 5. Next 2 by 5 into 6 by 6. Means what, Nana? We are making equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. 2 by 5 ke equivalent fractions ni manam tayar chestunnamo ani ardham. So here 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Next 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Next 2 4s are 8. 5 4s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 2 6s are 12. 5 6s are 30. These 5 fractions are equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. If you have any doubt, you can divide it as it is. You can get 2 by 5. In each and every case, you will get 2 by 5. See here, Nana. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. Means in each and every case we are getting 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Means these all are equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. Now, is it clear, Nana? Yes, I hope you have understand. Next, make equivalent fractions of 10 by 20. So, we should multiply 10 by 20 with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, like this. See, here I will make, Nana. Sorry. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 2 6s are 12, 5 6s are 30. So these 5 are the equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. And coming to the 10 by 20. So 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. First equivalent fraction of 10 by 20 is 20 by 40. Next, 10 3s are 30, 20 3s are 60, 10 4s are 40, 20 4s are 80. Next, we should multiply these fractions only. 5 by 5, 6 by 6. Means 10 5s are 50, 20 5s are 100. Next, 10 6s are 60, 20 6s are 120. So these are the equivalent fractions of 10 by 20. Next, 1 by 7. How can you make? See here, Nana. 2 by 2. First we should multiply with 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Next we should multiply with 3 by 3. Means 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Next we should multiply with 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Next, now with 5 by 5. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35. Next, 6 by 6. Means 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So 6 by 42. If you want to make more, means you can multiply with 7 by 7. Here I have written up to only 5. So if you want a sixth equivalent fraction, means also you can multiply with the same number, with the next same number. 7 1s are 7 and 7 7s are 49. Like this. Next, 1 by 5. Equivalent fraction of 1 by 5 is, we should multiply with 2 by 2. Means 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Next equivalent fraction, we should multiply with 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Next equivalent fraction means we should multiply the next fraction with 4 by 4. Means 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Next, we should multiply with 5 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Next, if you want more, means you can multiply with next number. 6 by 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. Like this. In this way you can make equivalent fraction of each and every fraction. So I hope you have understand, children. So thank you for watching my channel. And if you are watching first time my channel, means please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.